Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get a moving background on Google Chrome. You can achieve this by installing a Chrome extension. First, open Google Chrome and go to Chrome Web Store. Search for extensions like Live Start Page. Just click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. After installation, just follow the setup prompts. As you can see, we added a moving background to Chrome by installing an extension that animates the new tab page, giving your browser a lively and customizable appearance. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.